Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend and a wonderful day. As you know, I haven't uploaded my yesterday analysis update reviews because the yesterday market was very quiet. So today we had amazing volatility. Today is the 15th of June and Tuesday 2021, and let me share with you guys how I analyzed today and help my traders to bank amazing pips. Right, let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so guys, feel free to subscribe this channel, and let's dig straight to the EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD analysis review. All right, so EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour, guys, as you can see, last week we had an amazing short trade here. As I mentioned, if you haven't seen my last week analysis, a link is given in, by the way, in the video description. So we had amazing, beautiful pullback short trade, bank beautiful pips. As you can see, yesterday the market was quiet. So we have a long trade from yesterday. We were long from this level, as explained to my trader. If the price is going to respect this previous low, then possibility of counter long trade here and look for short from here. So we were long, bank beautiful pips today. And at the New York session, we are also long from this level. So let me share with you my intraday analysis. Okay, guys, so you can see some of the analysis was from yesterday. As you can see here, from yesterday, I was long on EURUSD. As you can see here, when the price developed a double top, double bottom here, and look at here in the 4-hour price, basically at the major support level, which is 129.19. That's the daily support level. As you can see here, price nicely broken, as explained to trader. The most safest trade, I said to you guys, after the breakout pullback. So we had a beautiful breakout long trade, and most of the traders were holding this long trade until the target hit. So we had this one long trade. And afterwards, as you can see, I've done another analysis at the Asian session, guys. Just keep, as long as the momentum is bullish, as long as the price can hit this level, keep taking a long trade here. As you can see, we have another beautiful long trade, bank beautiful pips. And I also updated that analysis at the London morning session, so you can see here beautiful long trade. All right, so at this analysis at the New York session, when the price reverse, I explained to trader, if the price is going to break this level, then we might going to see continuity short, and that's what I refined those entries and exit here in the analysis. As you can see here, I explained to trader, if the price is going to break this level, then probably we're going to be taking a short trade here. If the price is going to break this level, which you can see here, explain in more details. You can see price respected here, respected here, respected here, and respected this level. And that's what we said. If the price is going to break, then we're going to be taking a long trade here. As you can see, we had another beautiful small long trade on EURUSD. So we had amazing few pippies, counter long trade on EURUSD. All right, so let's dig into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing volatility. You can see here, pound dollar. Let's dig into the 4-hour, guys. You can see in 4-hour last week, as you have seen in my previous analysis, we were short. We keep banking all these pips here, and we explained to trader, look for another pullback here at this level. As you can see here, price keep respecting this level, and that's what we explained to trader, possibility of long short trade here. If the price gonna break the previous high, then long, otherwise short trade here. So we had a beautiful short trade, bank beautiful pips. And let me share with you the analysis, intraday analysis, and then you can see what I'm talking about. If you look at here, if you look at this is the analysis, I had it yesterday. As you can see here, price develop a consolidation in 4-hour. This was the consolidation, guys. At this level, we were looking at short trade here, and beautiful. You can see here, this is that's the level. So as soon as the price hit this support level, you can see here, and that's what we explained to trader. You can see here, technically this was the support level, price respected here twice, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit as soon as the price hit this level. As you can see, I explained to my trader to bank some profit. So beautiful short trade here yesterday. That's the only short trade we had it this morning. As explained to my trader, that the price basically once the price hit to the previous high, and that's what I did another analysis instantly and explained to my trader the price develop another pattern. As you can see here, this is the analysis I did based on that at this level. I explained to my trader, guys, look, if the price develop ascending triangle pattern, if the price is going to break this line, then probably at this level, as you can see here, if the price is going to break, then long trade here, otherwise short trade here. And the most safest trade would be if the price gonna break this small consolidation in 4 hour in intraday. Explain to my trader in more details. That's what we do every single day live. If the price is going to break this previous low, then we should be taking a short trade here. And then I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. Even if the price gonna break this previous low, we had a beautiful, you can see here, one short trade, bank amazing pips, and explain to trader, look for another short trade here, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, and that's what explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long short trade here, two short trade, bank beautiful pips today. And afterwards at the New York session, that's what we did analysis in intraday. If you look at this analysis, I explained to trader, as always, after the breakout we're looking another pullback, but we have seen this rejection, so possibility of counter long trade opportunity. But as I said to you, we're going to trade first opportunity. We're always looking trades towards the momentum and trend, and that's what we explained to trader here at this level. You can see here price respected here and possibility of pullback short. That's the first priority. As you can see at this level, we haven't seen any red candle, and then we also explained to trader breakout and retest. That's gonna basically is gonna give us the pullback long trade here. So that's what happened. We haven't seen any red candle, breakout, retest at this level, as explained in intraday analysis. We have another beautiful long trade, as some of the traders are holding this long trade. We'll let you know updates tomorrow. Okay guys, so that's, you can see we had a beautiful short trade from yesterday, and today at the New York session we had a counter long trade on pound dollar. So we had amazing trades on pound dollar. Most of the traders really enjoyed the short trades today, this morning. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Let's see what I did, how I did on dollar CAD. Let's see the 4 hour. Okay, so from yesterday, as you have seen, that yesterday we had a beautiful long trade here. We really enjoyed it, this long trade. This week we were expecting another long, because the price has broken the major structure, and after the breakouts we are looking another confirmation, which I explained to my trader, take a long trade here at this level, which is 121.323 level, which price nicely broken previously, and most of the trades were long and bank beautiful pips. We just closed few trades here at this level, which is 122,000, and let me explain to you why I closed the trade from this level. If you look at here, the price respected here and respected here, and explain to trader, look here, price develop another up channel, so it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. Now let me share with you the analysis, intraday analysis, and let me say, okay, so look, if you look at the from yesterday, we had this counter short trade, only few pips. Technically the price hit this the first target, and this morning, as explained to my trader, our bias was long on dollar CAD. So I explained to trader in more details through intraday analysis. As you can see here, I explained to trader, if the price is going to break the previous high or this previous low, then we're going to take a trade here. As you can see here, as you know that we are expecting long here, and that's what we explained it to trader. This section is basically and technically is a correction. So you can see impulsive correction, impulsive. So we were looking here at this breakout. So we had a beautiful, and in intraday, as I explained to trader, look for if the price is going to break the previous high, that's the safest way. So this morning price developed this double bottom, beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the first fib channel, always the the first target, and you can see here beautiful pips this morning. And as always, after the breakout, as always, we're looking at pullback. You can see here, this is the New York session analysis. Explain to trader if the price is going to hit to the orange EMA or at this level, then we're looking another pullback. You can see what happened here. Beautiful, beautiful. You can see here price nicely respected exactly the previous level. You can see here this level, and we have another long trade as soon as the price hit to previous high, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So you can see guys, we had amazing trade, especially on pound dollar and the dollar CAD, but we had a few PPs on Euro USD. Amazing trade guys. Most of the pairs we had most of big nice volatility, and let me share with you one more pair. So just to let you know guys, if you look at the here, and let me share with you guys. Okay, so if you look at the pound Swiss franc, let's see the pound Swiss franc here. We had a beautiful short trade, and afterwards we were short on pound dollar and pound yen and the pound Swiss franc. Let me share with you just more analysis, just to give you more details. If you look at here, we were expecting short at this level, 127,000 level. You can see here price nicely respected 200 EMA, 100 EMA, Bollinger Band, major resistance level, and we're expecting a short trade here. As you can see here, we had a beautiful short trade from here, and afterwards I just keep telling my traders, just keep taking a pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. So let me share with you. Look here, this is short trade here, this is counter long trade here. This was the short trade as soon as the price, that's what I explained to my trader. And look at here, this level was this level, and that's the most safest way to trade if the price is going to break the previous low. And that's what happened, broken based on the 4 hour. We were expecting this short trade here, by the way, because you can see a major resistance level. Beautiful. And I also updated, because this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. In the London morning session, I update my analysis and explain to trader, just guys keep taking a short trade here, because the price basically broke on the structure in 4 hour. As you can see here, price nicely respected to the major resistance level, so possibility price might gonna continue. So look for another. We don't see any green candle here. That's the good sign. Take another short trade here, and if the trader may say, we say guys, as long as the momentum is bearish, just jumping another pullback short. So we have another beautiful pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. So you can see here, and afterwards, as I said to you guys, we are intraday. That's what we explained. We have another at the New York session. We have another few more PPs on the pullback. So you can see guys, all these analyses and the trade updates in the real time. So guys, so if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, and even if you don't have forex trading experience, that's what I explained to you guys. And I'm keep telling you, my main objectives to trade traders with a live market through live intraday analysis, help them to develop their trading skills effectively in real time. And once you develop your trading skills and you prove us that you are doing fantastic, definitely we can, you know, open other opportunities for you guys to get funded from different prop firms. And that's what we're going to teach you, to trade with the real fund and make the real money in trading in a real time. Or if you are interested how I coach and train traders with the real time, feel free to book free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free guys. Even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and you're definitely going to enjoy pipping alongside with my professional trader. Once again guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.